boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I've partnered this month with Bank, who are offering an incredible 50% cashback on deposit, which as you can see is absolutely insane. There's another bonus for trading as well, so make sure to get involved in the description below. Make sure to take advantage along with all of our other exchange partnerships. The next thing I'd like to talk about is Sapphire Studios token, otherwise known as SST. SST is in pre-sale with 100x potential because it will be the core coin in not just one game, but in lots of games. And not just any games, the most sophisticated games you can make on mobile, called real-time strategy MMOs. Mobile real-time strategy MMOs are a massive real-time multiplayer games that can have tens of thousands of players per server, with gameplay happening 24/7. The sophistication makes other Web3 games like Axes look like kids' games. Sapphire Studios is going for mass adoption on a large scale by competing directly with the biggest mobile titles like Clash of Clans, Game of War, Forge of Empires and Rise of Kingdoms. Why buy SST right now? It's got true potential for mass adoption, and at under 10 million market cap at pre-sale, with one of its MMO games, Gold Inc, is already live, it has a real shot at beating out simple games like Axes that have a $1 billion market cap. Currently you can use the link in the description below to get 30% off more SST today. Alright then, we're just taking a quick look at Verasity on our daily time frame for another daily update here. As we can see, really not much going on over the past few weeks, or the past month to be honest. Still just chopping sideways here after sweeping these lows down here about a month ago now. We've had that pickup off the lows and since then chopping sideways. In my opinion, I still think this is going to go to the upside rather than down again. We have swept these lows multiple times down here, and really I don't think there's that much liquidity built up down here anymore. Much more liquidity above to be targeting. You can see we've got these big swing points up here that haven't been revisited yet on the way down here, and considering we are technically in a bull market as well, Bitcoin is obviously still quite close to all-time highs. I think it's at 108, 105, 110k right now, and you can see Verasity here basically coming down into this W double bottom pattern. Multiple sweeps of the low, liquidity down here pretty much exhausted in my opinion. Much more likely to be popping up back towards this 1/5 of a cent area, up towards that 1/2 cent area up here. Doing something like this, I think, to fulfill this W double bottom style pattern would be much more likely than going down again, to be honest. Obviously if Bitcoin absolutely destroys the market with another dump to the downside and starts chopping us up, then it's pretty likely that we will continue down, yes. But I do think Verasity in itself, looking here, like really it's running out of downside, coming into a big area of support, starting to get some big green candles coming in, and I think realistically coming back up like this over the rest of the course of the bull market towards the all-time high, much more likely than continuing to trickle down here, provided that Bitcoin obviously doesn't do anything crazy, absolutely dump the market to the downside in a horrible way. Overall, let's see what happens. Thanks a lot for watching again, guys. For another video, make sure to go down below and sign up for Bank to get your 50% cashback bonus and get involved with all of our other partnerships offering bonuses as well. Thanks for watching.